think the last time I sat under a tree like this, I was a little girl.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Things you don't think to do as an adult.
And how does sitting under a tree make you feel?
You know what? You're just here, you're not in, your mind's not what's going there, who's behind me. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come back to mountain pose, and if you join, take a minute to check in with yourself, practice how your body feels.
I've just come back from spending like 6 weeks in Madagascar, and for the first time in my life I felt really switched on. So getting back here, I've struggled, and then I saw this event and I thought that is exactly what I need to try. A little bit of that.
You loved it. You loved the sound bath.